Good morning! We're going to Ikea and we have kind of, I don't know, important things to look for. So we're gonna try and get a kitchen table, an oven, because the oven in this kitchen it's like a wood burning oven and it's very kind of old and very small. So yeah, I'm really excited. We've only been to the Ikea like once. We're going back and I love Ikea. So yeah, it's an hour drive. It's pretty much like 10 minutes away from Austria. Right? Austria? Yeah. Yeah, so we're about to get in the car. It is 11:07, I believe. Gotta get gas. We're excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited.
Alright. So right now we're on the way. We're on the way to Ikea. It's like an hour and a half away.
55 minutes.
With her driving, it'll be 55 minutes. Right now I'm working on some schoolwork on the way there. Just started classes. I'm enrolled in Italian and a computer class. So yeah, it's nice. I like it. Learned a lot. My Italian is like 4 times a week and my computer class is like one 3-hour class on Thursdays after work. But yeah.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
We made it to the Ikea, and it's kind of like in a mall area, and we're here at this restaurant before we go shopping because little Tyler looks hungry and he looks so handsome. But yeah, it's kind of weird vlogging in a restaurant. I'm still not used to this, so alright, about to dig in. This burger is so big, oh my gosh. Tyler's cutting his meat with a tiny knife. We just finished eating. We're on our way to Ikea now. And I'm kind of excited. I'm kind of nervous because like I get kind of overwhelmed when we do go into Ikea and I'm like, oh, let's get this. So I'm really gonna try and keep it cool.
Toner the F down.
Yeah, gotta tone it the F down. So we'll see how this goes. So we found our kitchen table. It's actually really cute. I mean, it's kind of like, you can kind of see it. It's really cute. I really like it. And it'll definitely save room because like, these, where like this line is, it's on both sides and you can like fold it in and it's like being held. So yeah, we really like it. Ooh, we're gonna get it with 2 chairs because we have chairs at home, so we're just gonna like get 2. But yeah, so one thing we can check off our list. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well. I got you something.
Oh, wow. So this is a plant that I wanted the last time we came here. I think it's so cute. Oh my gosh. It's like the cutest little tree. They almost remind me of like the screaming baby tree things from Harry Potter. I don't know which one I want. I think I want one of these tiny ones, the $10 ones. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't get one of these.
What?
I don't know. I'm more of a succulent girl. I'm afraid this one will die. Succulents don't die easy. That's why I like them so much. I mean, what do you think?
I mean, I think they're unique. I think they're cool.
Alright, let's get one. But which one? What the? No, put it back.
No, I like it.
No, I don't like it.
Why?
It doesn't have a lot of leaves on it.
It's growing. Leave it alone.
This one looks like a sumo wrestler. Like his arms and his legs and another arm. Alright, one little plant. $5. I like this one. Do you like this one? So cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. So cute. We just left Ikea and I got my little plant. Tyler's driving. We also have the kitchen table and the chairs. 2 chairs back there with, what else? Oh, we got like little dangling lights, like, I forget how they're back there. But they're super cute and we're gonna put them like wrapped around our stairwell, like railing, and it's gonna look super cute. So now we have, oh, so pretty. I don't think you can tell on camera. Those are like pink, almost like cherry blossoms, but they're growing like everywhere. And because it's springtime. Anyways, so yeah, now we have like an hour drive back home. And then we have to build everything. And that's like my least favorite thing to do ever is like assemble your own stuff. And I know that kind of sounds lazy, but I really don't care. Like, I hate building stuff like that. It's very tedious to me. Alright. Well, we're going home, so.
Woohoo!
So we just got home and we just got home, but like an hour ago. And we put this, so far what we've done is that we put this like chalkboard up. I did those doodles last night. But yeah, Tyler just put this up and it's like, we have this little like coffee bar. And it's gonna be super cute. I'll show you. Love it. It's so cute. We're gonna write like little cute sayings on here about coffee. And then, so this is the original table that came with this house. And we didn't really like it that much, so as you saw, we got this kitchen table. So now we're gonna move this table outside to the shed that we have. And yeah, that should be nice. And let me show the camera. Let me show what we did, because we bought these like dangling lights, like outdoor lights, and they're, oh my gosh, there's lighting though. Anyways, we bought these lights at Ikea that are like outdoor, indoor lights. I don't know. And they're super cute. I wanted to do this for so long. And I love them. I think they're so cute. Yeah, the house is finally coming together. So all we have to do, well, at least for the rest of the day, is build the table and the chairs and kind of clean up the kitchen a little. I mean, my main priority this week is gonna be like cleaning the upstairs guest room because Tyler's family's coming soon and they're gonna stay in that room. And just whole priority this week is to clean. What are you doing?
What if you just had like a bunch of strings just around you?
Here she comes. Little cutie. Lovely. Hi. All she ever does is purr and like rub her body against things, and it is so cute. Come here. I think she's on edge because we have these mean boy cats, and we think they want to, you know, do the dirty with her, but we don't let them because she's the sweetest little kitten. Well, she's not a kitten. I actually don't know how old she is. But she's so cute and sweet.
Yeah.
Finished our little adorable cute little kitchen table. Oh. Tyler did the table and I did the chairs, and then I put this little plant that I got today from Ikea, and I love it. It's like perfect for our size, but then we have like this huge space here. Like, it's so big. So we're thinking about buying like more cabinets to put here, because this is honestly just not enough. Sorry for the mess. For all the things that we have in the kitchen or need to put away and stuff. But yeah, I think we're just gonna eat dinner and watch TV.
New Girl.
Yeah, we love New Girl.
New Girl, yeah.
We love it.
Fucking New Girl.
Don't curse. Anyways, so we're just gonna say goodnight.